Welcome to Redwood National
and state parks. Part of the reason why these trees are so special is because they show us a lot of the things that we want in our society. They work together, their roots connect, they help hold each other up. They're very resilient, so these trees have lived thousands of years. They've been around for even longer than that. They teach us about the past. They store within them a lot of wisdom, and we can learn a lot of things from these trees.
So one of the expressions we often use in the Park Service is that people love something to death, and the trees, the forest can be a good example of that. So many people try to see the same big trees that they end up trampling the vegetation around it and even killing the root system of the very tree they're going to see. Often now we build elevated boardwalks and bridges so that we can be up above the ferns and the vegetation so that people can safely go see them, get up and close, personal with the trees, but in a way that allows the tree to thrive and continue growing.
When a tree falls down, it opens up a lot of space in the canopy, so all of that light that used to be shaded, it can actually make its way down to the forest floor here. So if you look up on the top of this root ball here, we have all kinds of different plants growing up there. So it's a really good spot for these little baby plants to start their lives. That's why we call it a nursery log.
The forest that you see behind me and other old-growth redwood forests have the highest density of carbon capture of any forest in the world. And so as we restore more and more of the second growth forest to conditions like this, they are literally combating climate change unlike any other forest in the world. And so they are making a difference for everybody across the planet beyond just the aesthetic, pretty beauty or bucket list destination that we get on our day trips here. They're literally changing the planet for the health of everything.